Nakita kita noong mga panahon na sumuko na ako sa pag-ibig. Slowly, I was accepting and opening myself to the thought na baka nga isa ako sa mga destined na tumanda mag-isa. Pero, grabe si Lord, He has His perfect timing. You arrive sa tamang oras, sa parang hindi ko inaasahan. Thank you kasi tinupad mo ang matagal ko ng dasal at pangarap na magkaroon ng isang ikaw.
I've been a mess, you know that. Sometimes I'm stressed out and pressured about work. I often don't know how to handle it. But you always choose to understand me, even if di ko na din maintindihan sarili ko. Thank you, God, for showing me what real love is. You've shown me how to love, how love should be. It's indeed true that God gave me the man that I prayed for.
Thank you kasi tinupad mo ang matagal ko ng dasal at pangarap na magkaroon ng isang ikaw. Alam naman nating dalawa na hindi naging madali ang journey nating BF as boyfriend and girlfriend. Ang dami nating pinag-awayan and pinag-aawayan pa. But by the grace of God, nandito na po tayo.
I am listening. You are a voice whispering in my head, shining through the bells steady ringing. The words I can't ignore. Wide hearts open door. I was young, I was sure I could hear the singing.
Thank you so much for everything. Before you, I used to do things all by myself. And since I'm used to do things alone, I always have it in my way. So when you entered into my life, I felt a surge of mixed emotion. Ma-happy ba ako na nandiyan ka? O hindi na nandiyan ka? Being with you is a learning experience. I learned and discovered a lot about being in a relationship. You taught me a lot na pagmahal mo pala, kailangan mong mahabang pasensya at pag-iintindi na kahit anong mangyari, pipiliin mong umintindi.
Sis, we're so excited for this new chapter of yours. I hope you enjoy your married life and yun lang. Cheers! Cheers, everyone!
Okay, thank you raw naka at meron akong bagong iPad. And then yun lang, don't be stressed, bigay mo sa amin lahat. For today. say the Miss goodbye lang. Yun lang. The first Mrs. in the family.
And that's all.
Ay, not laughing, my love. Okay, wait.
Hi, bud. This is it. It's really happening. See you later. Hope you like my gift. I loved you. Iris. Hi, bud. Received your gift. Thank you so much. See you later. Love you.
Wow! So pretty! Uy, wag kang iiyak, ate!
You drive.
When I was a kid, I felt that I was not given a chance to speak, a chance to be heard, or a chance to be considered. But God really works unexpectedly and for the greatest good. He gave me a man who always wants to hear my chicas. He gave me a man who always wants my opinion on everything, and most especially, God gave me a man who always cares for me.
Lightning falls. Blue crack of light. And that's all. Calling you to say. Calling you.
Ever since growing up, I am so independent. Sanay ako gumalaw mag-isa, mag-drive mag-isa, mag-desisyon mag-isa, magbuhat mag-isa. Then, when you came, you made my life better and lighter.
Calling you to say.
Thank you for understanding me even in the moments I'm difficult to understand. Thank you for unending support and for choosing to stay even if it's hard.
Ngayon na humihiling tayo ng basbas sa Panginoon, pinapangako ko na araw-araw kitang pipiliin at mamahalin lalo sa mga panahon na sinusubok tayo.